मुझे चाय पीनी है। I want to have tea. I want to have tea. अंदर आ जाइए। Please come in. Please come in. चलो कहीं घूमने चलते हैं। Let's go for an outing. Let's go for an outing. AC चालू कर दो। Turn on the AC. Turn on the AC. अगर बारिश हुई तो हम नहीं जा पाएंगे। If it rains, we won't be able to go. If it rains, we won't be able to go. उस फिल्म की कहानी अद्भुत थी। The story of that movie was amazing. The story of that movie was amazing. मुझे लगता है यह सही निर्णय है। I think this is the right decision. I think this is the right decision. उसका स्वभाव बहुत सौम्य है। His nature is very gentle. His nature is very gentle. वह जितना दिखता है उतना सरल नहीं है। He is not as simple as he looks. He is not as simple as he looks. इस मोबाइल की बैटरी लाइफ बहुत अच्छी है। The battery life of this phone is very good. The battery life of this phone is very good. जब वह आया तब मैं जा चुका था। I had left when he arrived. I had left when he arrived. वह बहुत मेहनती लड़की है। She is a very hard-working girl. She is a very hard-working girl. उसने वादा किया था लेकिन निभाया नहीं। He promised but didn't keep it. He promised but didn't keep it. मुझे तुम्हारा अंदाज पसंद है। I like your style. I like your style. जितनी जल्दी हो सके वापस आओ। Come back as soon as possible. Come back as soon as possible. क्या तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि वह बदल गया है? Don't you think he has changed? Don't you think he has changed? अपना काम खत्म करो। Finish your work. Finish your work. मुझे भरोसा है कि सब ठीक होगा। I believe everything will be fine. I believe everything will be fine. हमें यह प्रस्ताव स्वीकार नहीं है। We don't accept this proposal. We do not accept this proposal. कभी-कभी हमें जोखिम उठाना पड़ता है। Sometimes we have to take risk. Sometimes we have to take risk. ध्यान से सुनो। Listen carefully. Listen carefully. यह मेरा सपना था। It was my dream. It was my dream. उसे अंदर आने दो। Let him come in. Let him come in. डर के आगे जीत है। Victory lies beyond fear. Victory lies beyond fear. क्या हम कुछ खा सकते हैं? Can we eat something? Can we eat something? दरवाजा बंद कर दो. Close the door. Close the door. मुझे टिकट बुक कराना है. I want to book a ticket. I want to book a ticket. यह काम मुझे पसंद है. I like this work. I like this work. मेरी फ्लाइट सुबह 5 बजे है. My flight is at 5 a.m. My flight is at 5 a.m. सच बोलो. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. क्या आपके पास छुट्टा है? Do you have change? Do you have change? उसने कुछ नहीं कहा. He said nothing. He said nothing. क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you help me? Can you help me? हाँ, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है. Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. यह मेरी गलती थी. It was my fault. It was my fault. तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग कौन सा है? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? धन्यवाद, आपने मेरी मदद की. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for helping me. तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? मुझे आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. वह कौन है? Who is he? Who is he? आप बहुत अच्छा बोलते हैं. You speak very well. You speak very well. मुझे यह जगह बहुत पसंद है. I really like this place. I really like this place. चलिए मिलकर काम करते हैं. Let's work together. Let's work together. मैं आज स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go to school today. I will not go to school today. आपका दिन शुभ हो. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. मुझे थोड़ी देर की नींद चाहिए. I need a short nap. I need a short nap. फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. See you again. वे वहां नहीं रहते. They don't live there. They don't live there. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं मांगा. I didn't ask him for anything. I didn't ask him for anything. मैं दूध नहीं पीता. I do not drink milk. I don't drink milk. यह इतना आसान नहीं है. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. वह सुबह जल्दी उठता है. He wakes up early in the morning. He wakes up early in the morning. हमें अब क्या करना चाहिए? What should we do now? What should we do now? हमने नया घर खरीदा है. We have bought a new house. We have bought a new house. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. तुम्हें यह किताब कहाँ से मिली? Where did you get this book from? Where did you get this book from? मैं जानता था कि ऐसा होगा. I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. वह अपने माता पिता की बहुत इज्जत करता है. He respects his parents a lot. He respects his parents a lot. जो भी हो, सच बोलना जरूरी है. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. Whatever happens, telling the truth is important. मैं हर रविवार मंदिर जाता हूँ. I go to the temple every Sunday. I go to the temple every Sunday.